Here we go!
Mario, I agree. Just stop. Don't stop. Get some help. Of course. And they don't pack the mini mushroom or any other power-ups, they just pack the new ones. Do we have to get a close-up on that? Anyways, now that we have our little thing here. Yeah, that's probably I think that's Larry. Now, I'm gonna do the first 4 stages, including the mini castle. Next episode, I might even bring a friend. Wait, shit! I messed the pipe. Oh well, it always comes back. Now, 1-1, it's pretty good because you can get a lot of coins on it, which means a lot of 1-ups. Because every 100 coins, that's a 1-up. Yep, that's right. 100 coins equals 1-up. Which means that if I get 1,000 coins, that's 10 lives. Wait, why did I spin perfectly in time to the music? Oh shit, here it comes falling down. Wait, I didn't even grab the checkpoint. I won it. Now, if you don't know this power-up's name, it's just a propellers. It's just to name the propellers. And here's the easiest one of the details. You technically just get it free. I was about to fucking jump down. No, bitch ass. No. Oh my god, I just saved it. There's the thing. Normally you would need a propeller suit for that, but I have the power of ultra. I know how to do it. Now that's a 1-up. And if we just go here again, stay, have hope, and now we're supposed to get out. Yep. A lot of coins over here. And then we also got 3 1-ups. Guaranteed 3 1-ups. No, wait, that was the end. Wait, I gotta get that. I gotta get a propeller suit. Wait, where could I get a propeller suit though? Or just do that. And then the coins go into the void. Wait, fuck. No 1-up for me. Here,
Mario time!
And also these mushroom houses, they're technically just free power-ups / 1-ups.
Let's go!
They'll get to see them after I play 1-2 and 1-3. So look, we go down here. There's a pipe. We go down there. We're in a cave. But honestly, a casual Minecrafter, if they would see this much amethyst, they're at this point just making a base of amethyst. Wait. Nope, no power up. Oh well. Wait. Keep the power block. Keep the power block. And now throw it. I know that just seems useless, but no, we just killed a lot of enemies, which gave us a lot of foods. If you ever play this with a friend, you've probably known about versus mode. It's the more toxic part of this game. Your toxicity level might grow up to 50 after this game. Cause like, this game in multiplayer, it's extremely annoying. Heck, I even played this game with my classmates sometimes. I remember just how ass it is to play multiplayer in this game. Like, it's so annoying. Also, yeah, within my remembrance, yeah, there's a star there. Now I saw another guy making a path for the star, so he would try to get it as close to the end as possible. And that's as close as the end I can possibly get. My fingers are starting to hurt. Using a real Wii remote. The fact of using a real Wii remote, you have motion controls and stuff, and I don't have time to set that up. I have more time to set up Bluetooth and stuff. So yeah, that's just how I do it. Very good recommendation if you don't want to use a Wii remote or you don't have a Wii remote. Use a PS5 controller or something. It has a very good function, and yeah, that's kind of just it. Wait, can I do a triple jump into one of them? No, I can't. Only 2,000 score.
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Now, pro hint, if you're playing this game for the first time, you want to reach the top of the flagpole.
Yeah.
That's just a free one-up. And now, we get to do these mushroom houses.
Let's go.
They're actually really fun, I find. And, yeah, they give power-ups. Including mini mushrooms and stuff on later worlds. Now, this game is very simple. If I get 2 Bowsers or 2 Bowser Juniors, I lose. If I get a pair of power-ups, I get that power-up. As an example, now I got a propeller mushroom and an ice flower. Wait, why am I actually doing good? Wait! Okay, never mind. I shouldn't have said anything. Whoa, wait, I'm actually cooking? Yo. And, okay, so I should have not taken that one, but the good part, we want 2 ice flowers, 1 propeller suit, 1 fire flower, and 1 mushroom. Now that house disappears, it will never return ever again.
Let's go.
And that's kind of just how Toad houses work, unless you reload the game. Now, if you know about Yoshi, you'll probably know that he's pretty OP in this game. But the bad part, that is not here, you can't take Yoshi to any level. Well, in Super Mario World, you could, except Ghost Houses and Castles, because Yoshi was scared. trying to. Wait, that Yoshi maneuver was actually so perfect. Yoshi, you are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy when I'm sad. Oh my god, wait, yippee. That is also, I might be returning to this stage. Wait, there's a secret here? I never knew. Whoa. I didn't know that the second star coin was here. Oh well, we are going to get a lot of star coins now. Now look, if we eat that guy, he's going to die, but we can also spit out a fire. Now we are not going to take the secret way, because it's. I want to beat the game normally so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna do the secret way path. Like I might even try to. Oh wait. Oh no, yeah. He gives. Yoshi gives ones. Of course he does. Yoshi. Yoshi dead. Yeah, Yoshi died. R.I.P. Yoshi.
Oh yeah, Mario time.
Well, anyways, as I was saying around the beginning, in Super Mario World, you can take him anywhere. And in this game, you can only have him in specific stages where he appears. No, Toad, don't yap. Mario, bad news. This letter just dropped off at the castle. I ordered my minions to stuff every annoying Toad they catch into a question mark block. Ha, if you want to save him, come alone. You won't get any help from your friends. Bowser Jr. I'm worried about them. If you find a Toad, carry him to the goal. I don't want to deal with this. I do not want to deal with this, right? Wait. Yeah, you know what? We can deal with it in the next episode, I guess. Now I'm going into this Toad House because it's one of the best points in the game. Because you get a superstar, which is the best item in the game. With an I certify and a lot of other people certify.
It's a good
Why do
time.
people say that? Those are specifically the best power-ups in that is specifically the best power-up in the game. It makes you invincible for a little while.
Oh no.
And then of course I died to that stupid thing. How do I get squished during the like 5 first seconds of the level?
It's a good time.
How does that even happen? Anyways, look, why don't I just go up here? Also, I had a friend of mine that was gonna make this channel. He asked me why I don't want to edit my videos, and the thing I answered him is that I want it to be content, not AI edited stuff. I don't care about how it looks. I care about how it is. I care about what people would think about it. If they would think it's bad, I would just accept it. If they don't think it's good, which is the same thing as thinking it's bad, I don't really give a shit. They'll just get to think it's bad. If they say that it's bad though, yep, I might have just said this too much. But if they say that I should start editing, they already know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say no because I do not like to edit. Editing, it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard and hard at the same time. to mark box. I know it's a fire flower, which makes it easier to defeat later. I kind of find this easier. You see? Cause like during his shell shoot, during his jump things, he just jumps up. And you can crush him down easily.
Mario number 1! Woohoo!
Now we know he's not dead yet. He's alive. Wake up. And then he jumps away. Now this is the rest of World 1. And that is what we're gonna do in the next episode. So that's all I have for today for you guys. I don't really have much else planned. New vid for you guys tomorrow also. I post around daily, something like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!